in my usual starting location. I want to come up. First thing I want to do every day is go in and check my mail. So make sure that you start off each lesson by going in, checking your mail, and seeing if you have any messages. And if you do, you need to respond to those. So maybe someone sent you an email and you need to reply to them. So you can take care of that. When you're done that, you can come back to this location, and I want you to go into the waffle and click on the waffle, and I want you to look for this one. It's called Maps. Today we're going to look at Google Maps. So you click on this, and it's going to take you to someplace nearby, probably. We're going to search for somewhere on Maps. So come up here to the Omnibar. See how it's highlighted? You can just hit the delete key. And today we're going to search for, let's search for Winnipeg, Manitoba province. Press the enter key. Let's see what we get. And it takes us here. There's a bunch of stuff here about the city, whatever, but I want to come up here. See it? This says all, maps, images, that's pictures, news about, videos up. I want to go to maps, so click on maps. And here we go. And here is a map view of Winnipeg with some pictures at the side. That one looks cool. Let's see. Here's Winnipeg, and it seems like I'm a bit far away, so I want to zoom in. So I come down here, down into this corner, and I can see a plus button, and it zooms me. So when I click with my mouse once, I get closer. And again. This is an interesting view. Some of the roads, here are the roads. This is Road 101. This is Road 90. This is Road 59. Here's 101 again. Maybe 101 goes around in a big circle. Yeah, look. 101 goes up and up and up and up, and then it goes around, and then it comes back down the other side. Cool. And then what's this blue thing going through? That's the river that goes through. It says right there, I can look at it, it says the Red River. So the Red River goes right through the middle. And these yellow roads, they're the main roads. They're the big ones. And then these white ones, they're the smaller ones, like the ones in your subdivision. So that's sort of, there's Winnipeg, and then where is it? Okay, so here's all these towns: Sanford, LaSalle, St. Adolphe, Ile-des-Chênes, Deacon's Corner. These are towns around the outside of Winnipeg. Right around here. So let's see, let's go to LaSalle. Let's click on LaSalle, and it automatically zooms in, and it starts to show us LaSalle is on this main road, Highway 330, and then here's the small roads, and here's a river. LaSalle River seems to go through that town. Here's Cormier's Berry Patch. That looks interesting. Here is a golf club. What else? Zoom in. Let's zoom in some more and investigate. Okay, now I can see more. Here's a community center. And when I mouse over it, see, the picture pops up. That's interesting. Here's the gas bar. Here's somebody that'll fix your car. Here's a place where they sell grain things. Co-op. Here's a food store. And this must be where the people live, but I don't see any houses. So I'll zoom in a bit more. Here we go. Here's a school. Look, LaSalle School. I wonder what that looks like. I'd like to see what that looks like. I'll tell you what we can do. We can get Pegman to help us. So I go down here and I find Pegman. Look, here he is down in the corner. And look what happens when I mouse over him. He starts to lean over. And so the hand pops up. Here I have here I have an arrow. Here I have a hand. I can pick him up. Press your left mouse button down and pick him up and drag him. Look, ooh, swinging him around. And I want to put him over here by the school. You have to put him on the road. He can only go on the road. So I'm going to drop him down right here on the road, and all of a sudden the picture changes, and this is what Pegman can see. Right on that road, this is what Pegman can see. And this must be somebody's house, and they've got a fence here. And here's the road. That must be a stop sign, right? Because there's a white line right there. I'd like to look all around, so I come up, look at the mouse. It's like a hand. So I push down on my mouse button, and it changes to crosshairs. And now I drag my mouse button over to the right. And I come over here and I do it again. I'm going around in a circle. That's what's in front of me. And what's here? Oh, what's this? Look. This looks like the school. It's the school. There's the school in LaSalle. I want to go down and see a bit more of the school. I'd like to see more. So when I point at the road, a little arrow pops up. I can't get in here. I don't think you'll be able to get in here, but I can go down here. I want to be about here. So I click right there. Let's go a bit further down here. And now I can start spinning again. That must be the gym right there. That must be the front door, right? LaSalle School. Yeah. These are classrooms. These are called portable classrooms. You know what those are. And maybe maybe that's the kindergarten over there. I don't know. Or maybe that's another gym. Maybe they have two gyms. Wow. And yeah, there's that fence. See, so when I'm here in this view with Pegman, there he is down there. That shows me where I am. I can spin around by using the mouse and dragging. And I can see what's in that actual location. And that is very cool. I really like that. I want to go back. I'll use this. I can go back over here. Here's the map view again. See this thing at the side? I think I'll close that. I'll collapse the side panel. So this is what LaSalle looks like. I'd like to see what LaSalle looks like, not on a map like this, but I'd like to see it as if I was flying over it in a helicopter or an airplane. So I just come down here, and it says satellite. Show me an aerial view, an airplane view. Click it, and now, oh look. This is what you would see if you flew over it, and on top of it we've got labels. So we can see what these things are. And there's the LaSalle School that we were just looking at. That's where we were, right about there. And we were looking at that school. And so here's some houses. Look. Here are some houses. That one looks like it might have a swimming pool. That's kind of cool. And then here's a road. Here's a church. And here's the community center. These are all houses. And what's over there? We'll look over here. I can drag this. Oh, here's a bunch more houses. I recognize this big grassy space right here. That's a golf club. Yeah, Kingswood Golf and Country Club. You can tell by these windy paths and these big green things. These great big green things. That's where you play golf. And here's a river. Right here. Here's the river flowing down. This looks like a great place to go canoeing. Wow. Close this up. I wonder if you could canoe here. That must be a bridge. Right there. Where it goes. There's the road, right? And it goes underneath. I'd like to look right there. Let's go and get Pegman and drag him down, and let's put him right on the road, on the bridge. Don't dump him in the water. Put him on the road. Oh, it won't let us go there. See, if he doesn't want to help you out, he'll just jump right back. Well, look, here's definitely the road. Let's see. Pegman, come on with me. On that road. I want to go there. Will you go there? Yeah, let's see. There it is. There's the bridge. And there's the river. Wow, look at this. Let's rotate and look at the other side. Fantastic. This looks very nice. This river looks like it would be a great spot to go in a canoe. Oh, that would be wonderful. Imagine canoeing down the river. That would be really nice. I really like that. Let's go back. So this looks kind of interesting, and I wonder what's it like in here? Like, what would that be like? So that house has a pool. That one maybe has it. Let's go down. Pegman, come and help me out. Drag it down and drop him on the road. I don't see anything. Yeah, look on the other side. Rotate it around and oh, there it is. Well, this is nice. Trees and things. There's a nice house. Let's go down here. Click down there and rotate it again. That looks like the golf club. That's more of the golf club. Let's go the other way. Let's go up this way. Yeah, there's another house right there. And let's go up here by this driveway. There's another house right there. He's got a trailer. Yeah, this is cool. Let's go up to this house right here. And don't forget, you can rotate and see what they look like. So this is really neat if you knew a town that you wanted to go to. You could go into that town. There's another big house. He's got a trailer too. He's got a pop-up trailer. Someone in our family has one kind of like that. They're neat. So this is a way that you can look around the world and see what things look like. So your homework assignment, yeah, you know there's going to be homework for this assignment, is to find some place that you want to take a look at and use Google Maps to help you find it.